Hi, this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. We're going to go across the pond today. We're going to give you a little something from my niece, Gina Giambalvo, who lives over in Hove, England. It's a Banoffee pie. How do you spell that? B-A-N-O-F-F-E-E. B-A-N-O-F-F-E-E. What is it? You're going to find out. Don't go nowhere. At the end of another Vito's Italian Cucina. That's right. I gotta tell you, when something's fun, it goes fast, doesn't it? Yeah, it is like that, isn't it? Anyway, hope you enjoy Banoffee pie. I hope that you make it. It's from across the pond from my niece, Gina Giambalvo Glockler. That's right. She lives over in Hove, by the way. And so if you want to check out this pie, just look below in the description on how to make it and follow the instructions on screen. I didn't talk very much in this one, and I'm sure you're happy. I know my wife is. Anyway, thanks a lot for joining us. Buon appetito. Ciao, Maron.